Okay, so I'm going to try another problem. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so here we have a problem here. So it looks like we've got some graphs here, right? We've got actually, okay, so you have this graph here, and there's various equations there. So let me read the problem. So it says a system of 4 equations and their graphs are shown above. How many solutions does this system of equations have, right? So in order for there to be a solution, it would have to be that all of those graphs would have to all meet in the same place, right? So to just give you an example of one, of something where there were 4 graphs meeting in one place, I'll just a simple example here. So let's say we had a graph, right? And let's say there was say that there's one line, right? Here's one, right? And here's another line, right? So they're meeting right there. Then we would have to have another line, and that would have to meet also in there. So here's another line. And then you would have to have a 4th line also. I'm talking about 4 graphs, right? So here, right? So they all meet like right here. So that would be the solution to all 4 of them, right? They're all meeting in one point, so that would be one solution. But in this case, we have these 4 graphs, and you could see that they do not all meet in one place. I mean, and right off the bat, you can just, if you just looked at these 2 here, these, the y equals 1 and the y equals -1, that, well, it should be very clear. So if I just let me say I just did that, right? So here's a graph, right? And let's say here's y equals 1, right? Right, this is 1 right here, and then y equals -1, right? So they're 2 parallel lines, and they will never meet. So automatically, just based on that, you know that all 4 of these are not going to meet. I mean, it would be like if you had 4 people, right? And you wanted to make some kind of an agreement amongst all 4 people. If one person didn't agree, then it wouldn't be a deal, right? All 4 people would have to agree. So in this case, all 4 graphs have to all meet in one place, and that's not happening. So therefore, the answer is 0. Okay, so there's that problem.